Let's try an example of a comparison model. This means we've got more than one total that we're dealing with, and we're comparing the two amounts. Mr. Simons has 150 magazines and 110 books in his study. How many more magazines than books does he have? We know we're doing a comparison model because we see how many more than. Anytime you see more than, less than, you're doing a comparison model. He's got more magazines, so that one gets the bigger box. Less books, smaller box. Now let's fill in our numbers. He has 150 magazines. Let's put that in the magazines box. He has 110 books. Let's put that in the books box. How many more magazines than books? We're looking for the gap. Okay, so let's write a number sentence. 150 minus 110 equals. We can do that in column form. 150 minus 110. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 40 is our difference. He has 40 more magazines.